The recurrent test is going away. Hey, Remote Pilot 101, Jason Schappert here, and the internet has been abuzz with all the new rules and regulations, and we're breaking down each of these as we go into work through into a fantastic series for you all. And I want to start with this one. The fact that there is, well, a new recurrent test. And while the recurrent isn't in itself going away, the actual going down to the testing center will be going away in the next 18 to 30 months. Here's what's going to replace it. I made a nice little slide here for you. The new recurrent test, this allows the remote pilot certificate applicants to attain the necessary aeronautical knowledge through any number of different methods, including self-study, enroll in a training seminar, or an online course like Remote Pilot 101. So previously, you've been using our recurrent course to go through and then go take the actual test at one of the PSI testing centers. You pay the $150, $160 to this testing center, which some goes to them, some goes to the FAA, most goes to the FAA if I had to guess. And then from there, you go and that's how you become current, again, every 24 calendar months. Well, that part of it is going away. What's not going away is actually still doing some studies. Think of this now as CEUs, continuing education units. And through Remote Pilot 101, we're going to be able to certificate you and recertify you for that. So you'll go through the same recurrent course. At the end, you'll get a nice little certificate with my signature on there, and you'll be good to go. You won't need to go to the same PSI testing center. Now hear me carefully though. This doesn't take effect for another, they're giving us a range, like 18 to 30 months. I'll be keeping you in the loop. Right now, if you say, Jason, I gotta take a recurrent in the next 6 months or within the next year, or honestly within the next 18 months, you're still gonna need to study using our recurrent course, then go out to the actual PSI testing center. But the next 24 calendar months from then, you'll be able to recertify just by using our course, getting to the end of it, passing a final exam that we have, right? Just in the comfort of your own home, and I'll sign you off to be current again. Things are getting better. And you know too, I'm gonna be prepping you and recertifying you on real world stuff you're really doing out there in the field, not just a bunch of rote memorization book knowledge. So it's really gonna be better for everybody. Now, if you're curious about the new rules, remote ID, ops at night, operations over moving vehicles, over people, the entire video series is coming out all this week. We won't hold back. We'll just get all that content out to you. So know that content is coming. Listen, also our new learning management system is slowly starting to roll out this month and next month as well. Check us out, remotepilot101.com or m0a.com to check that out and learn more. Have a blessed, amazing, outstanding rest of your week. And most importantly, remember that a good pilot is always learning. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you.